hello, or ni hao, or even ni hao ma, as they say in China. Ni hao, you okay? Are you okay? Ni hao ma. I do not speak Chinese, but I lived in China for 20 years. And in this series of videos, I'm going to introduce you to my life in China, cultural differences, and there are many, some fun. One interesting fact is my name. When I arrived in China as a professor at a well-known university there, I was told you cannot be called by your Western name because we do not know how to put that in a telephone catalogue. It was 2005, there are no telephone catalogues now. I was told your name is Lord Ye, and I cannot for the life of me remember how to write the character Law. So I became Jie. I signed in for local events like the gym as Jie, and it was not uncommon to be walking down the street in the local areas and hear Ni hao Jie. It took me a while to work out. They're saying, hello Roger, hello, how are you? Yes, I had an interesting time, and I will go through many of my life experiences here on this video channel of my life and my times in China. Why do I have the right to talk to you about China? I have shaken hands with President Xi Jinping. Not many people have done that. Not many foreign people have shaken hands with President Xi Jinping. I have. I met the previous Prime Minister, Li Keqiang. I have a permanent residence card, a green card if you like. I can live in China for as long as I want. Again, these things are not common, but I have from my experience of working there. I will go through many of the experiences I went through, compare to my life here. I'm back now living in Sweden. Very, very different place. And as we go through, I will also introduce people who have contributed to my life in China. I'll ask them to make videos about their life. And one thing I want to introduce to you is traditional Chinese medicine. A long time ago, I visited a professor in traditional Chinese medicine. He's a wonderful man. He just touched the wrist on my both hands, and he said, your heart is a bit small, and other things. He could tell just from the blood flow. As we go through, I will introduce a friend who's an expert in using Chinese traditional medicine in massage, and she will introduce to you Chinese health products, which I think may interest some of you, and we'll see if we can generate enough interest to actually bring them such products to Europe. We will see. That's enough for today. Thank you.